Do you know that in English, how you say something can change its meaning even if the words are the same? That's because English uses intonation, the rise and the fall of your voice. Today, I'll show you how to sound more natural when asking questions and making statements. In English, statements usually have a falling intonation. That means your voice goes down at the end of a sentence, like this. You're coming today. It's raining. She's ready. When your voice falls, it sounds finished, confident, clear, and complete. Now, when we ask yes or no questions, the voice usually rises at the end, like this. You're coming today? It's raining. She's ready? The rising tone makes your question sound open and inviting, like you're waiting for an answer. It's friendly, curious, and very natural in conversation. Remember, down for statements, up for yes or no questions. When you're talking to native speakers, pay attention to the music of English, the melody of the voice. You'll start to notice those rises and falls everywhere. Then practice it yourself. It might feel funny, but it'll make your English sound alive and natural.